Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to call someone in Zangi. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Zangi app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're going to see options like chats, calls, contacts, and settings. You can make a call by tapping on the calls option, then select open keyboard, then go ahead and enter a Zangi number or tap on close. Then on the top right corner of the screen, you're going to see call icon. Tap on it. There you can go ahead and enter name, phone or email and tap on start. Then you'll start calling someone on Zangi. And guys, that's it. That's how you call someone in Zangi. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.